baby. Oh.
There it is.
Tarpon, big one. Here you go. Come get him.
Yeah,
Big one. Hurry up, hurry up.
Yeah, take it.
I'll get you around. Bang.
There he is.
Come on, keep cracking. Yep, keep doing that again. Okay, here he comes again. Oh, crank down again. Back. Yep. Right top. Oh, we got five in there. About as tight as I can get it. See, it might break off. Alright, neutral. There you go, you got it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Pull on. Go around the other side if you got to. Keep going. All the way to that swivel. Slide in. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay. There you go. You got a good picture. Get over here next to him. Let's get a picture. Lean over to the side. Where are you at? He's thick.
You got him, Dad.
Pluck down on him, Jacob. Got it? Yep, you got it. Stick and slide it under. There you go, pull. There you go. Got him? There. Pretty neat, isn't it?
Oh, beautiful.
Alright, let me see the pliers.
You got it.
Congratulations.
Bucket list accomplished.